Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Freedom Panel Replacement Panoramic View Panels from ClearLidz. Before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you'll be sure to catch this as well as plenty more videos. These replacement panels from ClearLidz are an all-in-one solution that give you a great open air feeling of driving your Jeep totally opened up, allowing a ton of light inside of your vehicle, while still giving you protection from the sun, from the elements, and from falling objects up above. Now they're available for 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK, 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 2020 and newer Gladiator JT. No matter which Jeep vehicle you have, all of the ClearLidz replacement panels are made right here in the USA from a shatterproof polycarbonate material. In fact, it's the same type of material used in jet canopies. Not only does that mean that it's very strong, but it's also lightweight, and that makes the installation very easy. In fact, it only takes a few minutes to get your new ClearLidz panel installed. It doesn't require any tools at all. You'll simply remove your factory Freedom panels from your Jeep. Once they're out of the way, you can set your new ClearLidz panel in place, along with these two insulation blocks, one on each side of the vehicle, that serve as a door seal when you close your doors to help keep them weather tight. In fact, with all the attachment points in place, you can even run the ClearLidz panels without the hardtop installed at all for a really unique combination, giving you some shade over the driver and passenger seat while leaving the back of your Jeep totally opened up. Now, of course, there are a lot of options out there for you when you decide to go topless in your Jeep and you're looking for some added protection, but none of them give you all the great benefits of the ClearLidz panels. Of course, they feature a totally transparent 180-degree view of the sky while still giving you protection from the sun. There are UV inhibitors built into the panels that not only help keep the panels from yellowing over time, but help block out those harmful UV rays from making their way into your Jeep, which is going to protect the interior of your vehicle as well as you and your skin. Because they are tinted and they only allow 16% of visible light into your Jeep, and that's going to keep you much cooler, reducing interior temperatures and allowing you to ride around in the shade even on those hot sunny days. Now, of course, not every day can be beautiful and sunny, and that's another area that the ClearLidz replacement panels shine, because when the weather turns, you don't have to swap it out for your factory panels. You can leave the ClearLidz in place, still giving you that open feeling while giving you protection from rain, sleet, hail, and even snow, making the ClearLidz replacement panels a true 365-day replacement for four-season enjoyment when you're driving your Jeep, giving you the feeling of the outdoors with the protection that only the ClearLidz panel can provide. If you guys want to get more information or purchase the ClearLidz for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can always leave those for us in the comment section below, or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.